All right, good morning, folks. Here is the 66, and I got most of the hardware installed underneath. I got the pedals. Installed, clutch and brake. I got the little levers for the gas. And we got my shifting rods, all the brake lines. I just need to get the waiting for the little clips to dry up so I can secure them. But I got my dual circuit master cylinder. Everything looks fine, and got my wiring harness ran. All my cables back here and wires. My brake lines. Everything is good to go, ready to go. So, rubber. I got to get the tank in. I'm gonna do that here in a little bit. I got the bolts for it right there. I got the new tank over there, sending unit and everything. So, it's coming along. So now, after I get the tank done, I'll be done with what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the accessories, because I got to get this stuff squared away and get it painted. So the tray, it's all messed up or rusted really bad. So, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna get it fixed and get it ready for paint and get it painted. Also, I got the the air duction box, air duct box, and all of this stuff right here. I need to get it painted, and the rear deck lid, get it painted. So after I get all that stuff squared away, I'm not gonna paint it right now, but I'm gonna body work it and get it, prime it and get it ready for paint. And then after that, I'm gonna do the inside. We'll paint the inside. This is a good angle to paint the roof. So, and that will almost complete the painting. So it's gonna be cool. I can't wait to get it all squared away, all painted. So that's where we at. A little update. Just been a little busy doing some stuff, but all my brake lines, everything is good. So, man, I can't wait to have it and get it on the road. Can't wait. So, all right. Well, I'll let you guys go. Well, I'll see you later.